Hello again and welcome to this SKOS Shuttle Extras tutorial. My name is Fabio Ricci and I am from SemWeb LLC. In this tutorial, I'll be pleased to show you the content and the functionality of each one of the extra tabs present in SKOS Shuttle at the current time. These extra tabs are Statements Edit for editing RDF statements related to the displayed SKOS entity, Documents, allowing you to see in detail which document is associated with the current SKOS entity. The SPARQL tab, giving you the possibility to query and change the used remote SPARQL endpoint. And the History tab, showing history event related to the displayed SKOS entity. And there we go. This is the thesaurus profile of our Hello World thesaurus, known from the other tutorial on SKOS Shuttle. In order to show you some relevant statements, we want to switch to the nations concept and in there switch to the Statements tab. As you can see, there are two views of the same RDF statements, a human-readable short view and a machine-friendly full view. First of all, we want to change a statement in the full view. Click on some part of the statement to start the edit mode. After changing a value, confirm the dialog and see your change directly in the same view. Then we repeat the same action in the short mode after having switched to short. As a reaction to that, SKOS Shuttle will display the corresponding statements. We then switch to the content of the Documents tab and see that there are yet not documents in it. As we all know, a picture says 1,000 words, so documents enhance the concept description in a very powerful way. For instance, let's add to the concept Switzerland one document, a picture of a river, to connote its natural beauty. To associate a document to a concept, simply click on the doc plus symbol and fill in the document associating panel. After uploading and confirming, SKOS Shuttle shows you the associated document thumbnail in the document bar on the right of SKOS Shuttle's breadcrumb and in the chosen document view together with its metadata. You can here then review document metadata or its content at a mouse click. We then want to connote in a similar way the concept Germany. We switch to there and want to associate there the same document. We press the doc plus symbol and, well, we don't need to upload the same document twice here, since that document is already in SKOS Shuttle. Just type in the document associating panel in the title field the name Rhine and wait for SKOS Shuttle to search for uploaded documents matching that title. As a suggestion via autocomplete pops up, we choose it and see that SKOS Shuttle has completed all the needed fields in the panel and it's ready to associate that same document to the concept Germany as well. After loading, the Document tab shows that the associated document is also associated with the concept Switzerland, thus building de facto a spatial relationship via that document. You can navigate here directly to associated concepts with a single mouse click. Switching back to our thesaurus profile, we observe that the profile shows now one wheel more. In fact, we have just added one document. And this concludes the section on SKOS Shuttle's Documents tab. Next, I'll show you the SPARQL tab. The SPARQL tab, as you might already have guessed, allows you to directly query or modify the RDF content of the remote SPARQL endpoint used in this project, provided you have enough rights to do that. Be careful with that option and consider taking a snapshot before any change. As you switch to this tab, SKOS Shuttle prepares and executes a SPARQL query just to visualize the first 15 statements around the displayed SKOS entity. To show you how it works, I will just change in the query the subject from column 2 to column 3 and press the SPARQL execute button. As a reaction to that, SKOS Shuttle will display the corresponding statements. Please note that SKOS Shuttle allows you to save an unlimited number of queries like this as a browser favorite using the star option. And lastly, we step to the History tab, again in the SKOS Entity Nations. The History tab lists all the modifications made for the shown SKOS entity, thus here to the Entity Nations. Each history element shows the user, her time zone, the older and the newer values, and offers the possibility to undo that RDF modification action. I would like to show this exemplarily by undoing the last action done discussing the Statements tab, where we changed an object value in a statement for that entity. In order to undo that action, click on the Recycle icon, 2 rounded arrows, and confirm the Undo panel. Please note that actions might be undone an unlimited number of times, provided there is enough RDF data to change. After the action, we step back to the Statements tab and see that the previous value at its creation time appears. That concludes the History tab demo section and also this tutorial. Thank you very much for attending, and please do not hesitate to contact SamWeb for any question.